story, do you still miss it? When we get together, do you feel different? After days go, we don't even speak. I've been on the road.
Yeah, want me back. I know they want me back. I see them down and out.
Hey guys, GraphicFlow here, and in this video I'll be checking out an aluminium phone and tablet stand from Syncwire. So with all that said, let's start the video. The packaging is minimal and has the black color scheme like the unbreak cables. On the front you get an image of the stand, and on either side of the box you get the information of the key features of the stand. Solid aluminium is used with two compact hinges. Its hook is wrapped up with premium rubber cushioning to prevent scratching between the device and the stand. 4 anti-slip pads on the bottom let the stand holder hold the device securely. Syncwire sells its product only in black. The double 270-degree hinges make it easier to elevate your device to your level of preference. The foldable and pocket-sized design allows you to carry it along when traveling. This tablet stand holder works for devices with up to 12.9 inch in size, within 4 mm in thickness and up to 1.50 kg in weight. This stand is made for tablets, but you can use it with your phone. My favorite thing about this holder is that it frees up your hands and it holds the device whilst charging. It also has a big cutout to feed your wires through. You also get free warranty support if you have any problems. Thanks for watching the video. This has been GraphicFlow, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. They creeping right, creeping left and right.